Right, hello. I'm doing something really cool that's also probably kind of stupid. So it's very, very unlikely that I die. But in the case that I do, I've got video footage. So that's kind of cool. So anyway, this is the motor from a FlyMo lawnmower. That's the whole motor, that's it. I just want to make sure it's working. I've got my plug here, my other plug here. And when I plug this in, it's not going to work. It shouldn't work because there's a safety switch, which I've dropped. So, electricity anyway. That goes in. Is it on? It's not on yet. So plug that in. So that's ready to go. Now, if I hit this switch. Yep, okay, that's good. So now, either when I hold this in, it's going to go off, or it's not. Let's see. Okay, it didn't. So if I hit this button, that should be it on. So now, I'm just going to take a step back. Still not working. That's on. That's on. Press that again. Still not working. Press it again. Still not working. Okay. Something's wrong. I'm going to investigate. Back to the FlyMo motor. Weren't working at all, so I've now got my power pack. Now the switch in which the electricity runs through is this one here, and as you can see on it, there's basically nothing to it. There's the two pins which comes in AC. There's no transformer, which doesn't change the voltage, so it's probably rated about 230. It does say here on this wee yellow thing 280 volts, but I'm guessing that's a maximum and not actually a rating. And there's no AC to DC converter, there's just these two switches. So I'm just gonna, oh wait, actually, I should listen to what I'm saying. That means the motor should be an AC motor. So this is on AC if I turn it on, and if I slowly amp up the voltage, hopefully it'll start moving. If it doesn't, either I don't have enough power or it's not working. But also this only goes to 12, 13 volts, so probably isn't enough to kickstart it. It isn't. So either the motor's not working or there's not enough voltage. So I could just take two live wires from a plug and spark it, or I could turn the voltage on and try and kickstart it. But it's very steep, so that's not a good idea. I shall investigate further once again. I have successfully removed the belt and the motor is spinning very freely, so now it should be able to kickstart itself using the low voltage. I think, possibly. Although 13 out of 230 is a small fraction. So let's see. It's humming and it's moving. It moved. It moved. I promised it moved. Yep, okay. Motor works. Great. Now we can test it at full voltage to get her really spinning. Well, here we go. Motor's wired up. So is the plug to the motor. So now, if I plug it in and hit the switch, it should work. Well, it works. That's pretty loud. Also, it sparked a little. Let's see if it does it again. Yep, that's pretty loud. But it spins and powerful, and I'm not sure if this is a benefit or not yet, but it comes with a belt, and it has a belted pulley and a flywheel. Now, the flywheel is absolutely horrendous spinning. The bearing must be made of, like, I don't know. It's terrible, it doesn't spin. But it comes with a belt. So if I make my own pulley, I can use this, just gonna plug it. I can use it in a tool, hopefully, to make some kind of tool, because it said on the box here how many kilowatts. 1.5 kilowatts. I can't remember the numbers, but that is a variety of horsepower.